Good morning, children. In this video session, we will learn verbs expressing the present. And first, I have taken the topic simple present tense. So, before starting, I just want to clear you that what is simple present tense, right? See, children, it is the basic tense in English, and it is very simple, right? And it is the first tense in English in any course you take, right? So for this you need to have a subject and the verb that we will discuss later on, but first you see the four basic rules of simple present tense, that where you will use simple present tense exactly, right? Habits and routines. For habits and routines you will use simple present tense. Likewise you will use for the permanent situations, facts and states, right? States of verbs, right? Now see what is the syntax for the simple present tense, means how you will form simple present tense. First you have to use the subject and then the verb and then the object, right? This is how you will form simple present tense, by using the subject first, and then according to the subject you have to put the verb and then the object, right? Now the question is, what are the subjects are like, these are the commonly used subject I have written over here, that I, we, you, they, or any name, etc. Like any of the name you can take. So these are the commonly used subjects. Now let us take one example using the subject I drink tea every morning, right? So here I is the subject, as I have mentioned that these are the subjects. So for this I have taken I, and I is the subject, and this is the plural subject that we will discuss later on. First you see that this is the subject only, and now according to the subject we have written the verb and then the object. So here this sentence is completely, you can say, this belongs to simple present tense. Now what is every morning? These are the other informations for the sentence, right? Now let us take one more example. See, Sohail visits his parents on weekends, right? Now see, children, as I have mentioned any name, so I have taken the name of a boy, and according to the subject I have put the verb and the object. So this will be your subject, this will be your verb, and this will be your object, and these are the other informations for the sentence, right? Now children, you can see that what is the there is some difference. You just find out that what is the difference between these two sentences. There is some difference between these two sentences, that if you see that I have used the subject over here, according to the subject I have not used s over here, right? And then the object, similarly I have used the subject over here, and according to the subject I have used s. Visit is the main verb, visit, and then I have used s over here, and then his parents, right? So the difference is that why we are using s over here, why we are not using s over here. So this is the question. Okay, now just see, let me clear you this, that why we are using this. This is the plural subject, this I is considered as the plural subject, right? So according to the plural subject we will not use s or es with the verb, right? With the plural subject we will use singular verb, and with the singular subject we will use plural verb, right? So this is the basic difference in these two sentences, right? Just see that we are not using s here and we are using s. So why we are using, this is the question. Singular subject, plural verb, right? Plural subject, singular verb. Okay, so this is the basic difference in these two sentences. Now let us take one example. Again we are using the plural subject. Okay, this is the plural subject. We usually take dinner at 8:30, right? So this is the plural subject, and this usually is the adverb, take again the verb, and then dinner is the object, and that 8:30 as the other information, right? See children, in first example I drink tea every morning. When I say this, you will feel that I do things every morning, that this I am doing every morning, right? So this show that I regularly do this work, means on Sunday to Saturday, right? This tells us about our habit, right? This example show us the first use of, this example shows the first use of simple present tense. Okay, that is habits and routines. That at first I have mentioned habits and routines. So this example, this I drink tea every morning, this example show us about our routine. Right now, see last example, this you will classify your own as I have classified in these two sentences. Right now, see children, note down one more thing, that how frequently the action happens, like every day, on weekends, etc., like that. Okay, when we talk about habits or routines, we normally use these kinds of expressions. Which kind of expression? These on weekends, every morning, such kind of expressions, right? So like if we are doing any routine work, right, which is in our routine, which is our habit, we will use simple present tense. Right, we will use simple present tense. Okay children, so I hope you have got the session, and for this, if any queries will be there, that we will discuss after. Okay, thank you for watching this video.